Hi. It has been so long. It is so nice to see you all. Well, I suppose maybe we're not seeing each other, but you know what I mean, right? Hi, it's me, Camila Rose. Guess what, y'all? Finally, I moved, kind of. I'm still moving. I closed on the house September 1st, moved everything, well, moving everything, packing everything all throughout the month of September. Movers came October 1st, moved stuff over into the house, still cleaning out the apartment to get everything finished so I could do a final walkthrough. Not the Friday that's coming up that you all are close to, but the last Friday of the month. I think it's like the 29th. So I can have that all done. We are getting there. It is happening. And then I'll just be here in the house and can finish unpacking, and we can go over this horrendous nightmare of a new budget that I've been working on for the past like 2 weeks for the house payment and everything that comes along with that. So it's been a while, but I'm back. So if you enjoy videos about designing a life that you love, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are going to get into so old, so late, October paycheck budget 1. And then from there, we're just gonna roll through it, y'all, okay? So we can get caught up and be ready for November. I will see y'all in just a minute to knock this budget out. Okay, and we are back. I feel like it's a little fuzzy. It's a little better now. Still a little fuzzy, huh? I don't know what to do to get it to like sharpen up. I think that'll work. Okay. So, I don't even remember what this paycheck amount was. We are gonna have to use my little cheat sheet that I use to go back in time and get this budget written out. And in fact, we may even do a closeout because it's already time to close this one out. And we're so far along in the month, it probably won't even matter. So this paycheck amount was $1,614. We also got raises that went into effect the 1st of October with the new fiscal year, which now means that now, like, all the stuff that I thought I knew about my budget is still off because I still don't know how much I'm actually going to be bringing home every month. So it's just a bucket full of fun, y'all. We had $300 for this one. Rent. So this is my last month paying rent, everybody. I put aside $957 for that. We did Adobe at $35. We had electricity at $100. We had Banfield pet insurance at $52. Student loans. We put, I skipped a line, but $40 towards student loans, and then sinking funds was $130. And so that gives us, let's make sure that equals, let's make sure that equals 1,614. So we have 300 plus 957 plus 35 plus 100 plus 52. Oops. There we go. Plus 40 and plus 130. Perfect. 1614. And honestly, so I already put the sinking funds up for the month. We have already closed this one out. So let's go in and see. We actually also had a toll at 40. So that would be 40. So that would, oh my goodness. That would be unbudgeted. Let's see what we actually ended. Let's go ahead and close this one out. So we did $300, $955.26, 25. Well, it eventually will end up being 25. Okay, so $71.22, $53.90, 130, and 40. Okay. I think I actually ended up being still a little bit over on this one. So 300 plus 955.26 plus 71.22 plus 53.90 plus 130 plus 40 plus 40. So something's wrong. That's not right, right? Why does that seem so little? Okay, 300, 955, plus 25. Okay. Plus, so we were actually over by $1, so that's not too bad. 1615.38 and 1614.00 minus 1615.38. So we were over by $1.38. So that's not too bad. And I'm actually just gonna leave this. We're gonna let this be our first paycheck budget and closeout so that we can move on with our lives. Because it was a month, y'all. It was really just something. Like, this has been a roller coaster. So that was the first paycheck. We're all done. We're all over. I'm gonna go ahead and move on, and we're gonna do the budget for our October 2nd paycheck, because that we have already received as well. So I will see you all in the next video. Have a good one. Bye.